I'm coming to you from a tuberculosis wing of a hospital, apparently, from all the coughing that's happening in the background. I don't know what's going on out there. I'm coming to you to announce the winners of the drone drop giveaway. Every time I do an opening of a drone drop box, drone drop also gives away 3, like they call them race boxes, I think. It's a lot of coughing. They call them race boxes, I think. It's just kind of a grab bag of stuff from them. I actually, this video is late, but I want to assure you guys that I performed the drawing on the 13th, as I said I would. I've just been in Houston, and I haven't had time to record this actual video, the voiceover, and edit it and upload it, so I apologize for that, but I performed the drawing on the day I said I would, and I'm going to show you guys who the winners are. The winners, please contact me via email so we can get your address and we get those boxes out to you. Thank you so much to everybody who commented and entered, and happy flying. I'm going to go do the second day of quad camp now. See you guys later.